Currently, the international effort to support Ukraine's fight against Russia, led by the drone coalition with Latvia at its forefront, is set to deliver 12,000 drones this year by June. As a result, the deadliest drone brigade, Magyar's Birds, responsible for the hottest part of the front line, has already decimated multiple brigades of the Russian vanguard. The drone coalition was officially formed in early 2024 under the Ukraine Defense Contact Group, the coalition co-led by Latvia and the United Kingdom. This international initiative was created to supply Ukraine with massive quantities of unmanned aerial vehicles, electronic warfare systems, and supporting technologies. Latvia has emerged as a pivotal partner in this effort, as the country that started the initiative and coordinated with the UK to get the bigger countries involved. Last year, the country pledged over 5,000 drones, ranging from reconnaissance to first-person view strike drones. These are produced by 7 Latvian defense firms, highlighting the country's growing military-industrial capabilities. Nowhere is this support more evident than in the drone-dominated battle space around Pokrovsk, where Ukrainian drone warfare, spearheaded by the Magyar's Birds drone unit, has devastated Russian logistics and troop movements in thousands. Drone strikes here have crippled supply convoys and positions, enabling Ukrainian counterattacks that secured key ground vital for Pokrovsk's defense. Founded by Robert Brovdi, call sign Maguar, it evolved from a small team into a full-fledged brigade, comprising drone pilots, engineers, electronic warfare specialists, and intelligence officers. In total, troops Magyar's Birds operate in decentralized teams, focused on deep surveillance, kamikaze drone strikes, and electronic disruption, often destroying Russian artillery and air defense systems far beyond the front line. Latvia's drones play a direct role in enabling their missions, with FPV drones now being mass-produced and supplied by Latvian companies. Magyar's Birds can maintain a high operational tempo without fear of depletion. These FPV drones are fast, reliable, and easy to operate, easily adjustable for both direct strikes and reconnaissance. Integration with Latvia's training programs ensures operators are not only well-equipped, but also highly skilled due to the general experience of the unit across some of the hottest frontline points. This level of foreign support has proven to be force multiplying. The results speak for themselves, as according to Maguar, the unit now averages a successful strike every 6.5 minutes, a rate that continues to rise as experience and support grow. In total, Magyar's Birds have inflicted heavy losses on Russian personnel and equipment, with Maguar himself estimating a kill-to-loss ratio of around 1,000 enemy combatants for each drone operator lost. Regarding confirmed kills, in the first 10 days of April alone, Magyar's Birds managed to eliminate 564 Russian soldiers and wound 311 other targets, which means that one Ukrainian drone brigade is eliminating one full Russian assault brigade every 4 weeks. Beyond direct battlefield impact, the unit releases constant video footage of their operations, serving a psychological warfare function by sowing fear and hesitation among Russian forces and potential recruits. Overall, the success of Ukraine's drone warfare efforts underscores the critical importance of the drone coalition's work. With Latvia multiplying its production numbers 5-fold in just 1 year, its support, and that of other allied nations, remains vital for Ukrainian forces to stay ahead in drone warfare. It enables frontline units like Magyar's birds to dominate key sectors such as Pokrovsk, denying the Russians initiative and exhausting their combat strength. With new technologies such as drones with fiber optic connections offering fire control regardless of enemy electronic warfare, the potential exists to strike deeper and harder than ever before. Meanwhile, Ukraine's defense ministry said on Monday that Kiev's forces had targeted a hangar in an unspecified area of Ukraine and posted a video it said was of the strike. Ukraine continues to use domestically produced drones on the battlefield, and the latest reported strike on a Russia target comes as Moscow continues to lose high amounts of equipment and troops. Ukraine's defense ministry said its 225th Assault Regiment had managed to track down a Russian tank hiding in a hangar thanks to aerial reconnaissance. The Post said that the troops had destroyed the site containing Russian armored equipment worth $4 million, with a T-72 tank and a BMD-2 infantry fighting vehicle among the targets. The Ukrainian kamikaze drone hit the tank, which was finished off by another drone. Drone footage appears to show the targets being hit and the aftermath of the strikes, said Ukrainian news outlet Defense Express. As of Monday, Russian forces had lost 1,710 T-72 tanks of various types over the course of the war, according to the website Oryx, which uses video and stills to tally losses. It comes as Ukraine made advances in the Toretsk direction in the Donetsk region on Sunday, according to the Institute for the Study of War, ISW, while Russian forces continued offensive operations in the Chasiv direction. Ivan Petrichak, spokesperson for Ukraine's 24th Separate Mechanized Brigade, said that Russian forces trying to take Chasiv Yar, a strategic location, have been bolstered by the elite FSB Presidential Regiment, according to Suspilna media. Meanwhile, Ukraine's Air Force said Monday Russia had launched dozens of drone attacks across Ukraine overnight, despite a proposal for a 30-day ceasefire starting Monday made by Kiev. Ukraine Defense Ministry. Ukrainian warriors destroyed a hangar with Russian armored equipment worth $4 million among the burned targets, a T-72 tank and a BMD-2 IFV. Putin called for direct peace talks to be held on Thursday in Istanbul, and Zelensky has said he would be in the Turkish city.